I'm on the ground. It's cold. Just a little. I have the car jacked up just a smidge because I got this. It's backwards. Great. I got this 3M tape. I think it's double-sided. We're gonna find out. I don't even know if I mentioned it. I have Underglow. It was like super cheap. The front and the back ones are fine. The side ones are, they're like hanging down. So the side ones are hanging down like this. I had them mounted. Oh, it's still wet too. That means we're gonna have to work with the wetness. The middle part's sticking fine, but where all the slush builds up is hanging down. I tried to zip tie it here, but it still fell. So what I'm going to do first is I have to clean the stupid thing. So I think that's going to be the most difficult part, is freaking cleaning it. But, you know, let's clean it. It's going to be interesting trying to get around the jack, but, you know, because I'm weird. Let's try this. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, it's dirty, all right. Tons of sand. Everything that makes winter suck on the bottom of this car right now. Like I said, I don't even know if this 3M tape is actually double-sided, so if not, I'm gonna be sad, because that's all I could find at our Walmart, because our Walmart sucks. It's getting clean! Since I'm doing this in the winter, I'm not going to be able to eliminate all of the sand and disgusting stuff that's on here, but we can certainly try. I have tape, scissors, and hope. Let's do this, people. I'm just going to do a strip that long for now, and then I can do more later, just so I can see if it works or not. I hope it works. If not, I'm going to be a very sad Ryan. It's a lot wider, but I don't think that should be a problemo. Alright, I think it's good. I hope. I think. Maybe. Question mark. Possibly. Maybe. Stick the back one first. And all that entitles is just pulling the red 3M tape off. Protective layer, I guess you could call it. I don't know. First one off. Let's see if it sticks. I love peeling things like this off. It's so satisfying. It looks like it's sticking good. I don't have dangly lights on this side anymore. Now we're on the passenger side, so I'm just gonna time-lapse this. Since you already saw the other side, make it go quicker. So now I have this side on the car. It looks like it's gonna stay really well. And I hope it does, because, ugh, you know. It was a pain getting it on the first time, and it just sucks putting it on the second time too. So, you know, hopefully it sticks. This is where the front one is. This one is sticking like super good. So I'm really happy about that, and I don't know how, but it is. So there you go. I just cleaned it a lot before I stuck it, and it worked. So that's good. And for the back one, I have it all the way up there in front of whatever that box is. I honestly don't know what that is. So yeah, that's where I mounted it. I just zip tied it through those holes that are in subframe, and it stuck really well because, you know, it's zip tied. So you can't really see the back one that much, but oh well, you know.